A lot of people always realize that they talk about vitamin C as a great antioxidant. It also helps build collagen and collagen in the hair, not just in the skin. The supplements I always recommend are a good multivitamin mineral, omega-3, 6, and 9, and a good hair, skin, and nail. And usually your hair, skin, and nail vitamins are typically something that actually will help support your bone and cartilage, because that's part of the hair production. You hear out there biotin, for instance, and people will run and just get biotin and start taking it, and I often hear, oh, it's just not helping. Well, that's because you need other vitamins and minerals and coenzymes to help that biotin actually, it has to simulate and absorb better. Some of those would be iron and zinc would be the main two that help biotin. Now, another thing a lot of people always realize that they talk about vitamin C as a great antioxidant. It also helps build collagen and collagen in the hair, not just in the skin. So those are really great things to remember, is to always, again, do a foundational, which would be your vitamin mineral, your antioxidants, and your omega-3, 6, and 9, and a good hair, skin, and nail mineral.